Do you struggle with oily skin and makeup? Are you always searching for ways to make your makeup last longer? Oily skin can indeed be a hurdle when it comes to makeup. You may often find that your makeup simply doesn't stay put, or that it tends to slide off as the day progresses. This happens because the excess oil on your skin's surface can break down makeup, causing it to fade or smudge. Understanding your skin type is crucial in overcoming this challenge. After all, your skin is as unique as you are and requires a tailored approach to care and makeup. For those with oily skin, the goal is finding a balance, controlling oil production while keeping the skin healthy and hydrated. But here's the good news. The makeup world is vast and full of potential solutions for your oily skin woes. With the right techniques and products, you can achieve long-lasting, flawless makeup even with oily skin. I didn't know for a long time what my skin type was. In cosmetology school, I learned a simple test. Simply examine the skin on your face and examine your pores. If you have large pores, you most likely have oily skin. The first step to a successful makeup routine is prepping your skin. You see, skin preparation is a lot like preparing a canvas for a masterpiece. It sets the stage for everything that follows. Start with a good cleansing routine. It's vital to cleanse your face to remove any excess oil and impurities that may have accumulated throughout the day or night. Look for a cleanser that's designed for oily skin, preferably one that's oil-free. After cleansing, it's time to tone. A toner helps to balance your skin's pH levels and further remove any lingering impurities. Again, an oil-free toner is your best bet. Next, moisturize. Yes, even if you have oily skin, moisturizing is essential. It hydrates your skin and prevents it from producing excess oil. Opt for a light, oil-free moisturizer. Finally, prime. A good primer creates a smooth canvas for your makeup, helping it to go on evenly and last longer. Remember, a well-prepped skin is the key to a flawless makeup application. Now let's talk about the makeup products that work best for oily skin. When selecting makeup, it's crucial to opt for oil-free and non-comedogenic products. These are specifically designed not to block your pores, reducing the risk of acne breakouts. They also help control the excess oil production that often comes with oily skin types. Now, foundation is the cornerstone of any makeup routine. For oily skin, a matte foundation is your best bet. It absorbs excess oil, giving your skin a smooth, shine-free finish. Another great product is a good quality oil-absorbing powder. It can be used throughout the day to blot away excess oil and keep your makeup looking fresh. I find that powder is an essential for oily skin types. I personally like a powder such as the Make It Last Setting Powder from Milani. On the other hand, cream-based products are typically a no-go. They can often make your skin appear even oilier, which is the exact opposite of what you want. Choosing the right products can make a huge difference in how your makeup looks and lasts. Applying makeup on oily skin requires some special techniques. Let's delve into those. When it comes to applying foundation, using a sponge or a brush can be a game changer. Why, you ask? Well, our fingers can introduce extra oils to our face, and we definitely don't want that. So, opt for tools that help you steer clear of this. Now, here's another key player in your makeup routine: setting powder. It's like the final seal on your artwork, keeping everything in place. A good setting powder can absorb excess oil, reduce shine, and give your makeup that smooth, velvety finish. And of course, let's not forget blotting. This is a handy technique to control oil during the day without disturbing your makeup. A gentle pat here and there with a blotting paper can do wonders. With the right application techniques, your makeup can look fresh and flawless all day. So that's how you can tackle the challenges of oily skin and makeup. Let's quickly revisit what we've discussed today. It all starts with understanding your own skin. Remember, knowledge is power. Then we moved on to the importance of prepping your skin. A properly prepped skin can make a world of difference in your makeup routine. We also talked about the significance of choosing the right products. Not all makeup is created equal, especially when it comes to oily skin. Lastly, we delved into the right application techniques to ensure your makeup stays in place and looks fresh all day long. All these tips and tricks are aimed at helping you feel confident and beautiful in your own skin. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more makeup tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.